Hello and welcome everyone. Myself CMA Bhageshri. Today we are going to continue our topic, that is illustrations of CMA Inter paper number 6, syllabus 2022. We have already solved illustration number 13, 14 and 18. Now we are going to solve illustration number 17. JB Club furnishes you the receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2022. Cash in hand, cash at bank is given. After that other payments are given, and here other receipts are given. Okay, after that here additional information is given. So according to additional information, we have to put a tick mark on particular item. So here see what they have requested to prepare us. See, you are required to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2022 and balance sheet of the club as on 31st March 2022. So that's okay, that income and expenditure and balance sheet is we are going to prepare. But problem is that in this question, if you check properly, then you will not get capital fund. Okay, in earlier question, that is in question number 18, capital fund was given in the question in form of balance sheet, that is old balance sheet was given. But here balance sheet is not given, only receipt and payment and additional information is given. It means that there is no capital fund is given. So in that case we have to prepare the opening balance sheet also. Okay, so here we have prepared income and expenditure account. After that here opening balance sheet we are going to prepare, and this is your closing balance sheet. Okay, so we are going to recognize the items which will be relating to your opening balance sheet. Okay, so here we will bifurcate the item along with the other ticks. So here opening cash in hand, cash at bank, we never record this cash in hand, cash at bank in a closing balance sheet. We only record this carried down, that is closing items in the closing balance sheet, that is in normal balance sheet. Okay, but these items will go in opening balance sheet. Okay, OBOB means opening balance sheet. Okay, opening balance sheet. Okay, after that I will check all the receipts whether there is any tick or adjustments. So donation, subscription, entrance fee, interest on investment, interest from bank, sale of old newspaper, sale of drama tickets, that is okay. Here salary, receipts, repair expenses, furniture. Okay, furniture is there, this furniture will go to the assets. Okay, after that investment is there, so investment will go to the asset. After that miscellaneous expenses, insurance premium. Now billiard table and other sport items, that is 80,000. Okay, we will read the question and then we will decide, but normally this is the asset item. Okay, if nothing is given then this is the asset item. Okay, because this is a club, so there are other sports items, billiard table, that is the asset. But till now I have not written anything, because I know there is one adjustment in this question. Then stationery, that is normal expense, drama expense, normal expense, these are the assets in the normal balance sheet. Okay, closing balance sheet. After that subscription in arrears for the year 2021-22 is 9,000. Okay, here 21-22 is the current year, so 21-22 is the current year. Okay, current year subscription is arrears. Arrear means outstanding. So outstanding always add and assets. Okay, because we are going to receive this subscription in the future, it means this is asset, and outstanding we should add. So that's why I will put a tick on subscription. Okay, subscription in advance for the year 2022-23. 22-23 means subsequent year, that is next year. Next year का subscription अभी related नहीं है, this is not related to your current year. So less and liabilities, because we have received the subscription and services are not yet given, so that's why less and liabilities. So I will put tick another tick on subscription. So two ticks are there. After that 400 was insurance premium outstanding as on 31st March 2022. 31st March 2022, it means the current year outstanding insurance premium. Outstanding, add, and this is a expense, not a income, so we are going to pay later, so it will be a liability. Okay, add and liability. So here insurance premium I will put a tick. After that miscellaneous expenses are prepaid. प्रीपेड मतलब एडवांस में पेड हुआ है, सो दैट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू योर करंट ईयर. प्रीपेड ऑलवेज माइनस एंड इट इज असेट बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू गेट दैट बेनिफिट इन द फ्यूचर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे प्रीपेड मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंस विल टू पुट अ टिक. 50% ऑफ डोनेशन शुड बी कैपिटलाइज, तो डोनेशन पे टिक करेंगे क्योंकि कैपिटलाइज करना है. आफ्टर दैट एंट्रेंस फीस टू बी ट्रीटेड एज अ रेवेन्यू इनकम. ओके, सो नॉर्मली एंट्रेंस फी जो है वो रेवेन्यू इनकम ट्रीट करना है, सो वी विल राइट इन इनकम साइड. ओके, इनकम साइड. आफ्टर दैट this is not a adjustment, just leave it, that is income side we are going to record that. Next is 8% interest has accrued on investment for 5 months. okay, so यहाँ पे जो आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट है उसके ऊपर आपको इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है. सी इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 60,000. ओके, सो 60,000 के ऊपर आपको 8% इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, दैट इज फॉर 5 मंथ्स. लेट्स कैलकुलेट 60,000 इंटू 8%. ओके, into 5 by 12, I am getting 2000. okay, 2000 interest rupees 2000 accrued, that is outstanding. So these 2000 is outstanding interest on investment. So earlier we have received 1000, now it is outstanding 2000, so we will add in this. okay, and another effect, see, add, and another effect is assets. okay, because we are going to receive it. After that, billiard tables and other sports equipments costing 3 lakh were purchased in the financial year 2020, 20 and 21. Now this is current year is 21, 22. So this is nothing but your previous year. okay, लास्ट ईयर है, वहाँ पे हम लोग ने बिलियर्ड टेबल एंड स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट परचेज किया था 3 लाख का, एंड ऑफ विच 80,000 वॉज नॉट पेड. ओके, 80,000 पे नहीं हुआ था. इट मीन्स 80,000 वॉज आउटस्टैंडिंग इन द लास्ट ईयर. ओके, सो आउटस्टैंडिंग इन द लास्ट ईयर मतलब ये लाइबिलिटी था, लाइबिलिटी ऑफ ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट. ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में ये लाइबिलिटीज में जाएगा बिकॉज इट वॉज आउटस्टैंडिंग एट दैट टाइम, एंड दोज 80,000 आर रिटर्न हियर. इट मीन्स this is not a asset purchase, this is the bill payment of this asset purchase. asset is of 3 lakh which is purchased in the previous year. okay, so ये जो 3 lakh है वो ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में भी जाएगा एंड असेट्स में, मतलब क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट के असेट में भी जाएगा. ओके, assets of opening balance sheet and assets of closing balance sheet. okay, both done. After that there is no charge of depreciation to be considered, so there is no depreciation. okay, so here we have already marked all things, now we will just record it. okay, so first of all we will record these figures in opening balance sheet. so this is opening balance sheet, cash in hand, cash at a bank, asset side. okay, cash in hand. Now in this question we are going to learn first time that how to prepare the opening balance sheet. So basically the items which are related to last year, that is we are going to write in opening balance sheet, that is in old balance sheet. So 40,000 and 1 lakh we have recorded. After that I am completing this receipt side. After that all these receipts are relating to your current year, so fatafat we will record in current year's income side. okay, here donation, wherever put is tick is there, I will put the amount in inner column. Donations 50,000 inner, only one tick is there. After that subscription 1,20,000, दो टिक है तो दो स्पेस छोड़ना है. After that entrance fee, they have told us specifically that entrance fee should be treated as a revenue item, that is it is totally pure income. So entrance fees directly outer side because there is no adjustment. ने बोला इनकम में डालो, इनकम में डाल दिया, बात खत्म. ओके, देन इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, इंटरेस्ट ऑन investment, that is 1,000, only one tick is there, so we will leave one space. After that interest from banks. okay, 4,000. Sale of old newspaper, sale of drama tickets. No tick, so directly outer side. Okay. So here we have completed all the receipts item. Now we will go for payment side. Here in case of payment side, I will record the items as we have already written how to record and where to record. So first of all, to salary, no adjustment. Related to current year, directly outer side. After that it is repair expenses. Okay, you can leave one line also, but I am not leaving here because I need a space. Repair expense 5,000. Thereafter furniture. Okay, furniture we will record in asset side. Furniture, asset side of your current year, that is closing balance sheet. Okay, furniture, and there is no adjustment, so just record furniture because we have purchased this furniture in the current year, so only closing balance sheet will contain the furniture, that is 60,000 direct outer. Okay, after that investments, no adjustment, 60,000 outer. There is interest adjustment, but we can directly give the record, we can directly give the effect on asset side separately, so I am not adding the interest in this. So 60,000 direct outer. After that miscellaneous expenses. Okay, so expense we have to record on expense side. Okay, to miscellaneous expenses, but there is one adjustment regarding miscellaneous expenses, so one space we have to leave. After that insurance premium, again adjustment is there. Insurance premium. Okay, insurance premium, one adjustment is there, so 2,000 inner. Thereafter billiard table and other sports items. Okay, this 80,000 already mentioned here and we have given the effect here, that is this is not a purchase of billiard table and sports items, this is just the payment of outstanding bill. So this is the outstanding bill at the end of last year, that is 2020 and 21. Okay, so we will give the record on liability side because that bill was outstanding and now in the current year we are paying that bill. So that is not a purchase of asset, वो asset purchase नहीं किया है, वो पुराना बिल हम लोग ने पे किया है पेमेंट साइड पे, सो वो लाइबिलिटी था इसीलिए पे किया. सो यहाँ पे आउटस्टैंडिंग बिल, ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में बिल ऑफ, आउटस्टैंडिंग बिल ऑफ billiard table and other sports items, it was 80,000. ठीक है, so we are giving the effect of this 80,000, so it is done. After that stationery expenses, that is 1,500, this is a normal. So expense side here, stationery expense 1,500. Thereafter drama expense 5,000. Okay, thereafter these both are the assets of the closing balance sheet. Okay, closing balance sheet में जाएगा cash in hand, cash at bank, cash in hand, cash at bank. Okay, so that is 26,500 and 72,000. Okay, so here we have completed payment side. Now we will go for additional information. In that already I have written the effects, that is subscription in arrears. Arrears means outstanding. 21-22 is the current year. So current year का outstanding, anything outstanding we are going to add. So here add current year outstanding, that is 9,000. It is 1,29,000 inner side because another adjustment is there. Now second effect is assets of your closing balance sheet. Okay, so closing balance sheet का asset outstanding subscription, that is nothing but 9,000. I hope you are getting me. After that, subscription in advance for the year 2022-23 which is received in this year. Okay, so next year का है, इसका मतलब not related to this year. Okay, anything which is not related to this year, so we are going to deduct it, so less. And this is liability because we are going to provide the services in future, so it is a liability. Less and liability, less next year या फिर subsequent year subscription advance. Okay, it is 3,500, so we are going to deduct 3,500 from here, and the final amount we are going to write outer side. Okay, so 3,500 gaya, so 1,25,500. Okay, and this 3,500 we will record in the closing balance sheet liability side, that is advance subscription, that is 3,500. Okay, so here we have completed first adjustment. After that, 400 was the insurance premium outstanding as on 31st March 2022. 31st March 2022, it means the current year, right? Here outstanding outstanding insurance premium is there. Outstanding, anything outstanding we are going to add, so add current year outstanding. Okay, that is 400 we are going to add, so here 2,400. After that, outstanding expense, it means it is a liability of your current year, so outstanding insurance premium, is 400. Okay, thereafter miscellaneous expenses prepaid means advance में पे किया है, so this is not related to this period. prepaid हमेशा माइनस होता है और असेट में जाता है. ओके, so prepaid less prepaid, that is less prepaid amount is 900. Okay, so here 4,100, and prepaid means advance, so prepaid miscellaneous expenses, that is 900. Okay, after that 50% of donation is to be capitalized. Okay, आपका जो donation है उसका 50% capitalize करना है, so less 50% capitalized, so 50% is nothing but 25,000, so balance is 25,000. कैपिटलाइज मतलब आपका जो कैपिटल फंड रहेगा उसमें ऐड करना है, बट हियर वी आर नॉट गेटिंग कैपिटल फंड येट, सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग कैपिटल फंड. इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा डोनेशंस. ओके, 25,000 जो कैपिटलाइज हुआ है बराबर ऐड हो जाएगा. ओके, सो बोथ इफेक्ट्स आई हैव गिवन, दैट इज लेस एंड ऐड इन कैपिटल फंड. आफ्टर दैट रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंस वाला हो चुका है, दैट इज रेवेन्यू आइटम. देन 8% इंटरेस्ट आई हैव ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड. ओके, हियर 60,000 into 8% into 5 divided by 12, so we are getting 2,000. 2,000 is outstanding interest, so outstanding we are going to add, and this is the income outstanding, so this is the asset of your current year. Let's add current year outstanding, that is 2,000, so here we are getting 3,000, and this is the asset, so outstanding interest on investment. Okay, you can add this interest in the 60,000 also, otherwise you can write separately, whatever you want you can do it. So it is 2,000. Okay, I have given the effect of this adjustment, that is add and assets. After that we have already discussed that billiard tables and other sports equipment costing 3 lakh which were purchased in the previous year. It means now in the current year also we are using that, and there is no depreciation in that. So 3 lakh was the previous year value and 3 lakh is the current year value also. So I am recording in both the balance sheets this item at a 3 lakh only. Okay. So table and other sports items, that is 3 lakh, because this was purchased in the last year. Until now we are using that. Okay. I am writing here billiards table and other sports items, that is 3 lakh. Okay, so I have given the effect of this also. Okay, so here we have completed the recording of the transactions. So first of all I will close the opening balance sheet because I want the capital fund. Okay, so here we are closing opening balance sheet. Just take a total of assets side 3 lakh plus 40,000 plus 1 lakh, that is 4 lakh 40,000, 4 lakh 40,000 minus 80,000. So I am getting 3 lakh 60,000. 3 lakh 60,000, that is capital fund. Balancing figure. ओके, नॉर्मली ये कैपिटल फंड हमको क्वेश्चन में दिया करते हैं लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया है. ओके, नॉर्मली कैपिटल फंड ऑलवेज दे गिव इन द क्वेश्चन बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन दे हैव नॉट गिवन. सो वी हैव ओपन द opening balance sheet, that is old balance sheet. Okay, so finally I got the capital fund. Here the purpose of opening this that is preparing this opening balance sheet is done because I want capital fund and now I got this. Okay, now normal closing, that is income and expenditure close करेंगे and then अपना जो बैलेंस शीट है वो टैली करेंगे. ओके, चलो. सो लेट्स टेक टोटल दैट विच साइड इज मोर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम टेकिंग क्रेडिट साइड 25,000 प्लस 1,25,500 plus 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 4,000 then 1,500 and here 10,500. Credit side is 1,79,500. Okay, now debit side I am just checking which side is more. I think credit is more. Yeah, credit is more. Credit was 1,79,500. 1,79,500 minus debit का amount. Okay, 38,000 was the total. So 1,79,500 minus 38,000. Okay, debit के सारे amount है उनका total है 38,000. So I am getting surplus of 1,41,500. Okay, to surplus, that is profit. Okay, but here term is surplus. Surplus is nothing but your balancing figure. Okay, and now this surplus we are going to add in your capital fund. Okay, so here add surplus, 141,500. Okay, first of all we will add this donation. So 3,60,000 was the capital fund which we got from the opening balance sheet. So after adding the donations it is 3,85,000 plus your surplus 1,41,500, it is 5,26,500. Okay, now we will check whether the balance sheet is getting tally or not. Okay, so first of all I am taking the total of asset side 60,000 plus 60,000 plus 3 lakh plus 26,500 72,000 9,900 2,000. Okay, I am getting 5,30,400. After that 5,26,500 plus 3,500 plus 400. Okay, so same amount is there, 5,30,400. So here we got the correct amounts. Okay, So here we have completed illustration number 17. Now after question by question, the questions are getting difficult. It means earlier questions, that is question number 13, 14 and 18. 18 was very basic question, but now in question number 17 we have learned how to prepare the opening balance sheet to get the capital fund amount. Okay, so this is also a little bit basic question, but after that we are getting the questions little bit complicated. So I am just choosing the question which may be easy to understand step by step. So here we have completed illustration number 17. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel playlist to get more videos on various topics, and also check my telegram group, which the link is given in description box, because you are going to get the notes over there. Thanks for watching, friends.